Okay, so we'll come back to the problem that we had before. And so we've got the hedge trimming. We're going to earn a bit of extra money. It's $54 a day. How much should we charge? So we have this formula here, P equals HR minus T, and we can make up a table of hours and profit and stuff like this. Or we can draw a graph of this data. We could draw this as a graph, there we are, to help explore the relationships. So what shape will it be? Anyone? It will be a straight line. Okay? The reason we can tell that is that H is the thing that we are drawing a function of. So the thing that we're drawing a function of is the thing that goes along the bottom axis. And often we think of it as X, but it doesn't have to be X. It's the one that we are looking to see what's happening to it. So we want to know P is a function of H. So the profit, as it goes up by $25 for every hour, that is a straight line. If we had a squared term next to the H, or it was 1 over H or something like that, then it wouldn't be a straight line. It would be a curve or something else. So when it just looks like this, it's a straight line. Okay, so this is the way you may have been taught at school, we hope. I'll just switch to the other camera too so you can see a bit better. And so basically we go through and we make a table of values. So we get out our calculator and we go, okay, 0, and you plug it into the values, which is our P of H equals 25H minus 54. So if we put a 0 into that, then we get 0 times 25 minus 54, so that's minus 54. And that makes sense that if we don't do any hours of work, but we've hired the hedge trimmer, we're going to lose $54. If we do 1 hour of work, it's going to be 25 minus 54, so that's negative 29, negative 4, 71 and 196. So we just got some different numbers there to see what it looks like. And then once you've got some numbers, then you draw your axes. So I've got my lines here, and this is going to be an appalling graph because I haven't even got a ruler, sorry. And so if we go here, we want it to go up to 10 down here, and we want it to go up to about 200 here, and we want it to go down to minus 54, so that would be 100, so that'll be 50, 50, minus 50, 150. And so we just see that at 0, it's going to cut at minus 54, and then at 1, there's 5 there, so at 5 it cuts at 71, which is about there, and at 10 it goes up to 196. So we've got 3 points. Now that should be a straight line. If it isn't, it's because I've just been guessing. So you always do 3 points, because if you do 2 and one of them's wrong, you won't be able to tell. If you do 3 points, you can always tell because it won't be a straight line. Or you've made the same mistake in each case, which is the other possibility. Now, I don't expect you to be able to do this, which is nice for you, because I want you to do everything in Excel.